Nathan?
No, I said no.
Are we ready to do this?
Yep, I got my camera on.
Are they alive in there?
They're alive in there. They're kind of in shock right now.
Oh, that's why you put them in the... Oh, gotcha.
Make sure they don't bite you, Dad.
Eat.
Make sure they go in there. Are you going?
Come on.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god. Oh, something fell on the table. Look.
Make sure they don't bite you.
I don't want to be bit.
Here, use this thing. Oh, step on it. Did it fall on the
Step
floor?
on the one that's on the floor, Brandon.
Where are they?
It's on the floor walking. There's only one.
I can't see it.
Oh, so you can always get a napkin and smash it. You get too far in.
I hit this guy on accident.
Oh. There he is. He's right there by your foot, Patrick.
Oh.
Did you get him?
Yup. Got him real good.
No, you're
Not in my
recording.
house.
You're recording your jeans.
Not in my house.
Now we still got some more to put in here.
What,
What?
more in the tube?
Yeah, there's still some in the tube.
Are you gonna crawl out of it? Oh,
Yeah, is that some dead ones down there, or are they already digging?
maybe they're still cold.
Not in my house.
Yeah, she's still not feeling good. Yeah.
Look at them mints. There's still more in there.
Carry on.
They're dead.
I've been giving her medicine because she still felt.
They're dead.
It seems like medicine starts to kick or wear off.
Look at that dead one.
It's all fever again.
Not in my house. Told that.
Did you ever take it? Tim?
No. I think I'm going to in a little bit.
I think I'm going to run up to Story because we don't have no milk.
I heard you say that. I was going to go with the total on this one.
Oh, were you?
Yeah.
Okay.
If I need to.
Should we do
I
it,
just don't
Dad?
want to do it right away.
Oh, that's fine.
I'm just trying to wait for them to get settled. I'm trying to stop shaking because that was crazy.
You
They
think
were
they
all
make it
sticking
easier?
together.
Where's that little hose at?
This?
Yeah, why don't you put the hose in there?
Where's it supposed to connect? Oh, the sides?
No.
No.
Oh, you give me instructions?
They said gently tap them.
I tried to do it on the side like that. You sitting alright? You let go? You're fine.
He's talking to the wall.
Yeah.
Okay, see
Oh,
somebody.
he's talking to his dad.
Oh.
You better get in the shower.
Look, we're putting the ants in. Come check it out real quick. If they're attack ants, so they'll bite you.
Watch this, guys.
Yeah.
They pinch and bite, yeah.
Why did you get this kind of ants?
That's the kind of
Best
ant.
kind of, I guess that's the only kind that you can get.
And they're being kept downstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, it's not like they can get out.
Ants can help. Unless they get spilled.
If you go and make them back
What's that food in there?
vegetables. They eat anything. Oh, that dude got something.
You have to drop water in there too?
Once every 2 days.
How much?
A couple.
Couple
There's like
milliliters.
3 left.
Is that all trash that fell down there in that hole?
Just messing the ants. You're gonna get them mad. They're gonna come after you tonight.
That guy's holding on for life now.
How many's left in there?
3.
We get these 3. If they fall out, they can stop like that
We'll
one.
use this stick.
One.
They're probably ready to get out of there after that.
Yeah. You got them all sick. They're probably in there vomiting.
Well, I'm about to give you a shower real quick.
Okay. Brandon still probably need to get in there. So,
That's what I'm getting right now.
that's fine. I'm just saying. Be mindful of the time and stuff.
Alright, they're all in there.
What?
Put that lid on there. I feel like we should super glue that bad boy on there.
Minty.
Mm.
Minty. Minty. Wow. Ants.
I think every day we should take a picture.